What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you guys a project that I think is one of the best projects for trading. It's going to provide you trading indicator such as when to buy or when to sell or when to long or short, and it's also going to show you downtrend or uptrend. And I think this is an amazing project. Doesn't matter if you are a beginner or if you are an advanced trader, this indicator is definitely going to show you all of the signals right up front on a trading view. But before we show the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. And this project, it's called Top Tier Signals. So it's a trading tool and signals get in early. So this is actually not just for cryptocurrency, it's also for Forex and stocks and all other stuff. But since I'm making videos about NFTs and cryptocurrency, I'm mainly going to be focusing on crypto. So if we go to their Twitter account, you can find quite a few pictures about their indicators. So let's pull up at least one of them. As you can see, this is going to be something similar to this. So it's going to show you sell and buy signal. Then it's going to show you the zones, and then it's going to show you if it's uptrend or downtrend. So let's close this. If we go to trading view, I already have access to the signals and I just recently start using. So if we open up right here, as you can see, I'm looking at the Ethereum chart. This is long zone and this is short zone, and looks like it's going uptrend, and also it gives you signals. So like for example, right here, as you can see, give you a buy signal, and then you could have run it up until something if you're leverage trading, and then you could sell, and then sell signal again, it dropped. You can see quite a few red candlesticks, and then over here gave you a buy signal, and then you could have run it all the way up here. You could have made a lot of money if you're especially a leverage trader, and then in here you could have shorted the market until here or something like that. You can also play around and adjust the sensitivity. So this indicator is called Entry Sniper, and if we go to the setting menu, and of course you can lower or increase sensitivity, and this is in the value here. So this is basically, that's how this indicator is going to look like, and literally from just starting up your trading view, you can see if it's uptrend or downtrend, and if it's time to short or long, and you can see buy or sell signals. And at the same time, you can actually also remove signals, just look at the trend and etc. And like I stated earlier, this trading signals gonna work on crypto, Forex, stocks, and etc. And then if we're gonna go to their WAP, as you can see right here, they have few different options. They have monthly, $50 a month, or they have a lifetime access pass. But if we press on lifetime, currently it's unavailable. So if we go to monthly, so at the time of recording this video, this cost $50 a month, but I'm pretty sure eventually it's gonna go up, because if you're a trader, you can make a lot more than $50 a month, and this technically is gonna help you. And as you can see right here, you can read a little bit more about this specific signal, what it does, and it's crypto, Forex, stocks, and also Indian market. And here's also all the benefits and everything else. And right now, I think lifetime access can be either one through their collabs, or if you are any alpha group that are actually collabing with them and doing whitelist spot giveaways. And then let's go to their Discord really quick. I'm actually going to show you, because on top of their signals, there's also a lot of colors that provide a lot of information, and I'm going to show you an example. So if we go here to their Discord, and this is their mint page, as you can see, they're gonna have 333 passes. So this is going to be a lifetime access, and they'll have two different phases. Phase 1, 300 USD, and phase 2, it's going to be 600 USD dollars. And in phase 1, there's only going to be 100 passes, and then in phase 2, 233. So if you're going to be able to get yourself a whitelist spot and you're going to be able to mint, then you will own one forever and you'll have lifetime access. And if you're not sure, you can always try monthly, and then if you really like the project, after they're gonna mint, you can pick it up on secondary market. Then they also have a roadmap, as you can see right here. You can pull it up, you can join their Discord and kind of read through and see what's up and what's their vision and plans. And also they actually have another option. They have a free trial. So if you invite 3 friends to Discord, you will be able to get access. I think it's 3-day trial. So for 3 days, if you can bring few friends, you'll receive full access to the server. Once you'll get access to the server, you're gonna have 9 or 10 crypto callers and then forex callers, NFT and etc. And they also doing little whitelist spot NFT giveaways. But this is not their main focus. Their main focus is actually top tier signals and provide calls. And let's take a look at this one right here. As you can see, this is proof from their calls that they're making, like this one right here. This one was short on Ethereum. So this is just proof that some of their calls are actually very profitable. And then there's another one, Ethereum plus 112% and more. And I can just keep scrolling and we can see all of their results. And then let's look at one more. And as you can see, like this one was yesterday, and this is another trade. Somebody shorted ADA, 20x leverage. They made almost 90%. So on top of signals, you can also take advantage of all the calls. And also one more thing they actually provide, they provide full indicator guide. And as you can see right here, TradingView setup, enable entry sniper, choose assets, select time frame, settings, buy sell signals, trend channel, long short zones, and trend trading. So literally, if you are new or maybe you're already an advanced user, once you're gonna sign up or get access to the server, they have step-by-step guides on how to do everything. And this is pretty much it. This is just a quick overview and my personal opinion about top tier signals. And shortly after this video, I'm going to be posting one lifetime free access giveaway to the top tier signal. And all the links about this project, I'm going to leave in the description below. Thanks for watching.